students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. You might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel, you will get daily one video related to different topics which will help you and your child to do better. In this channel, there are videos related to English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. Today we will see a video related to science subject. In that, today's topic is life cycle of a silkworm. Where does silk come from? Silk is an expansive and beautiful piece of fabric that used to be worn by only kings and royalty in the past. It comes from the silkworm. The life cycle of a crawling worm into a moth goes through several stages. There are 5 important stages in the life cycle of silkworm. The first stage is the egg. This is the first stage of a silkworm's life cycle. The female moth lays eggs which are the size of small ink dots. The female can lay more than 350 eggs at a time. These eggs remain dormant till springtime when the warmth in the air arouses them to hatch. This happens once a year, but due to human interventions, the breedings of silkworm and hatchings of egg takes place at least thrice a year. The second stage is larvae. When the eggs cracks, there emerges a hairy silkworm. This larva stage is the one where growth takes place. Upon hatching, a silkworm is 1/8 of an inch. They feed on tender mulberry leaves. They consume large amount of these leaves for 20 to 30 days and go through 4 stages of molt and skin changes. The first molt is when the silkworm sheds all its hair and attains a smooth skin. The third stage is cocoon. At this stage, the silkworm spins a protective cocoon around itself. It is made up of a single thread of silk and it the size of a small cotton ball. This it does to protect itself from predators. This is the stage where the second molt takes place when the larva turns into a pupa inside the cocoon. The fourth stage is pupa. This stage is the motionless stage where just before adulthood. It is at this stage when people take the cocoon and plunges it into boiling water to kill the pupa and unwind the silk thread. But if they don't, the pupa rests peacefully for 2 to 3 weeks, after which the metamorphosis into an adult moth. The last stage is fifth stage, that is adult moth. The pupa changes itself into a beautiful adult moth. These moths are flightless and do not have a mouth, so they are unable to consume food. Once the adult moth comes out, its sole purpose is to find a mate. Within 24 hours of mating, a male moth dies while the female lays eggs, and then even she dies. Thus the life cycle of a silkworm begins again. So these are the 5 stages of a life cycle of a silkworm. This is the 5 stages. First the egg, then the larvae, then the cocoon, adult moth, and then the silkworm's life cycle. Now some interesting facts about silkworm. Normally, silkworm reproduce only once a year, but in countries like India and China, they can do so around the year because of the weather. Silkworms is a term used for the worms called Bombimix mori. The salivary gland of the silkworm larvae produces the silk thread for the cocoon. One cocoon will contain raw silk thread of 300 to 900 meters in length. Silkworm pupae can be eaten. Silk is incredibly versatile. A single cocoon can be 300 to 900 meters long. Silkworms only eat mulberry leaves. So this was about life cycle of a silkworm and some interesting facts about silkworm. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video, or you can join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn, or tweet us on Twitter. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.